How's it going, everyone? Today in this video I am going to be opening up 8 Pokemon Go booster packs. I got these from several of the Pokemon Go sealed products, so I'm going to be opening it up in today's video. So I'm going to see what I get out of these booster packs. So I'm going to start off with this pack right over here. Alright, so we start this off with Water Energy, Flormono, Charmeleon, Pupitar, Squirtle, Melton, Bidoof, Magikarp, Bidoof, Reverse Wimpod, and a Tyranitar Holo. Alright, second pack. So we start this with Darkness Energy, Spark, Ariados, another Ariados? Okay, double Ariados in one pack. Eevee, Pikachu, Squirtle, Libero, Rattata, Eevee Reverse, and a Snorlax Holo. Alright, third pack now. So we got Metal Energy, Chansey, Ivysaur, Unpheasant, Bidoof, Magikarp, Bidoof, Onix, Eevee, Charmeleon Reverse, and another Snorlax Holo. Oh, there's an upside down card for some reason. Grass Energy, Blanche, Solrock, Egg Incubator, Pikachu, Squirtle, Melton, Bidoof, oops, Magikarp, Moltres Reverse, and a upside down Melmetal Vmax. Okay. This is an ultra rare. Alright, so next pack. Alright, so we got Metal Energy, Camerupt, Steelix, Candela, Charmander, Eevee, Natu, Ambipom, Alolan Raticate, Bidoof Reverse, and a Zapdos Holo. Alright, 3 more packs to go, so here's the next pack. Fire Energy, Candela, Lunatone, Ivysaur, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Pikachu, Wimpod, Bidoof, Charmeleon Reverse, and a Conkeldurr V. Okay, this is the regular V. Next pack. Alright, so we got Water, Lunatone, Ivysaur, Pokestop, Alolan Eradicate, Larvitar, Tranquil, Natu, Ambipom, Larvitar Reverse, and a Moltres Hollow. Okay. Final pack. Can we at least get some last pack magic here? So we got Water Energy, Pokestop, Slowbro, Candela, Eevee, Alolan Eradicate, Numel, Tranquil, Bulbasaur, Camerupt Reverse, and the rare is a Gyarados Hollow. So yeah, out of these 8 booster packs, we only pulled these 2. The Melmetal VMAX and the Conkeldurr V. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.